Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube.
Today we are going to take a slow and detailed look at the Chrysler Pacifica, a family minivan that many people love for its comfort, space, and modern features, but also one that mechanics constantly warn against when it comes to long-term ownership. Beneath its smooth ride and premium design, there are a number of recurring mechanical and electrical issues that often show up once the vehicle starts aging or when it is pushed beyond regular maintenance schedules. As we go through this discussion, imagine a vehicle that looks perfect on the outside, a minivan designed for road trips, school runs, and daily errands, yet quietly developing problems under the hood and behind the dashboard that many owners do not notice until repairs become expensive or inconvenient. One of the biggest concerns mechanics point out is the transmission system, particularly in certain model years where the 9-speed automatic transmission has been reported to shift roughly, hesitate during acceleration, or even jerk unexpectedly at low speeds. This can be especially frustrating in stop-and-go city traffic or when reversing into tight parking spaces. While software updates have improved some of these behaviors over time, many mechanics still say that once transmission wear begins in the Chrysler Pacifica, it can be difficult and costly to fully resolve, often leading to rebuilds or replacements that are not cheap for an average family budget. Alongside transmission concerns, there is also the issue of electrical system reliability. Modern Pacifica models are heavily dependent on electronic modules that control everything from sliding doors to infotainment systems to safety sensors. When even one module starts to malfunction, it can create a chain reaction of small but annoying problems such as doors not closing properly, warning lights appearing on the dashboard without clear reason, backup cameras freezing, or touchscreens randomly rebooting while driving. Mechanics often warn that diagnosing these electrical issues can take significant time because they are not always consistent. A problem might not show up during inspection but will reappear once the vehicle is back on the road. Another concern frequently mentioned is related to the engine's stop-start system and fuel-saving technologies. These systems are designed to improve efficiency, but in some cases they can place additional stress on the starter motor and battery system. Over time, this can lead to premature wear and unexpected battery failures, especially in hot climates or heavy traffic conditions where the system is constantly turning the engine on and off. Speaking of engine performance, some Chrysler Pacifica owners have reported issues with oil consumption over time, where the engine may require more frequent top-ups between scheduled oil changes. While this is not universal across all units, mechanics advise regular oil level checks because low oil conditions can lead to long-term engine damage if left unnoticed. As we continue looking deeper, we also come across concerns with the cooling system. Thermostat and radiator issues can sometimes lead to overheating warnings, particularly if coolant levels are not carefully maintained. Overheating in a modern engine can escalate quickly into major repairs such as head gasket damage, which is why mechanics strongly emphasize strict maintenance schedules. Beyond mechanical systems, there is also the suspension and steering feel to consider. While the Pacifica is generally comfortable, its suspension components like control arms, bushings, and struts can wear faster than expected under rough road conditions or heavy usage. This can lead to clunking noises, uneven tire wear, or a loose steering feel that reduces driving confidence, especially during long trips or when carrying a full load of passengers and cargo. Another area mechanics frequently highlight is the sliding door mechanism. This is one of the Pacifica's signature features, but also one of its most common trouble spots. These are only some of the early concerns, but there is still more to understand about the Chrysler Pacifica, so stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.